Hi, this is Roland from Lucas Physical Therapy. This is an alternate way to do traction at home for people that have severe radiating arm pain that's coming from the neck. Alright, you'll need a towel of some sort. This is a hand towel. A bath towel works as well. The thing we're going to do is, I'm going to roll this towel up. So I'm trying to really fold it, not roll it. Alright, so I folded it up there. See how I've got it folded? Then I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm making a loop. I have this shoestring here. You could use any rope or piece of string. Alright, now there are some risks to doing this traction at home, because the securing of the towel is a tricky thing. The door, and that's giving me some traction in my neck. So take my neck that way. And try and go a bit further. So I think one of the best ways to do is sort of use a slip knot. So make a loop in your rope, then fold that through, right? And then put that around the top of the towel. And then as the string gets pulled on, it's tight, right? It gets tighter. All right, so we've got that there. Now if you've got a bath towel, you should be fine. If you've got a hand towel, make sure you can get it over your head. Pull on it so it's not going to come off. Okay, that's pretty secure. Okay, so then you take the towel. And ideally, you'd probably be on the other side of this door, because then you're not going to open it. But this is the best place for us to do this today. You'd want to lock the door if you can, and then maybe put a note on the other side of the door that you're going to do traction, and you don't want anybody opening the door into your head. Okay, so I've tied this onto the door handle with the goal of having it about 2 inches from the floor. The towel should be about 2 inches from the floor, and I lay down on the ground. My head's nearly touching the door. Lift up my head. I slide on. Now right now it's just holding my head sort of like a sling. It's not giving me any horizontal force. It's only giving me vertical force. So I've moved my body away. And right now, because the rope's on an angle, I've got some horizontal force and some vertical force, and the horizontal force is giving me the traction. And I'll just stay here. Usually with your knees bent up. I could wiggle even a bit further if I wanted more traction. Ideally, I'd feel a decrease in my arm pain if I had resting arm pain. If it all went away, then I'm giving myself too much traction, so I'd move a little closer, like so. Now, when I'm coming back, it's probably a good idea to gradually give yourself less traction for, 30 seconds here and a little bit here, and sort of ease back into it. Don't just take it all off at once. All right? Now you can adjust how far your head is off the floor by determining how close the towel is to the floor before you put it on. So we normally say about 2 inches. If you would like your head closer to the floor when you're doing the tension, then you can lower this down. Okay, so we lowered the rope a little bit, and you'll just see that the head hangs a little lower. So slide on the traction, make sure it's over your ears. Try it on the towel, then start to scoot away.